Welcome to MDC Learning, Standard FI BCom, Subject Computer Education. Welcome students. Today we are going to learn simple formatting in MS Word. Like, we can make our text bold, italic and underline whenever we require. To make the text bold, click on this bold button or you can press shortcut key Ctrl plus P. To make your text italic, you press this italic button or you can press Ctrl plus I shortcut key. Similarly, to make your text underline, you can click on this underline button or you can press shortcut key Ctrl plus U. Also, we can change our font type or font face or font size. For changing font type, we go to this font type button and click on drop down menu and select whichever font you require after selecting the text. Then you can change the font size by going to font size button and clicking on drop down and selecting any one of the font sizes. Then you can increase or decrease your font by going to grow font or shrink font. Grow font can increase the size of the text. For that, shortcut key is Ctrl plus Shift plus greater than sign, and for shrink font, that means decreasing font, shortcut key is Ctrl plus Shift plus less than sign. So this is for increasing and decreasing your font. You can change the text color or we can highlight the text also. For changing the text color, we go to text color change command and from there we click on drop down and select the particular color. For highlighting our text, we go to the text highlighter and select a particular color so our text get highlighted. Let's see this practically. This is my Word file. So for making my text bold, I'll just select this text and go to this bold command and click on that. You can see here my text becomes bold. Similarly, I can press shortcut key Ctrl plus B for making this bold, or suppose if I press this bold button again, so you can see that my text becomes original text, that means normal text. So this is bold. Then for making my text italic, I go to italic command and click on that. So you can see here my text becomes italic, or I can press shortcut key Ctrl I. Similarly, for making my text underline, I can click on underline button and make my text underline. Suppose I want other kind of line formatting for underline. So I can select any one of the lines and underline my text in that particular way. Similarly, I can make my text bold, italic and underline at the same time. I just click on italic, I just click on bold. So my text becomes bold, italic as well as underline. Then for changing font type, I select this text and go to the font type button and I select a particular font, and you can see here I am able to change my font. Similarly, if I want some other font, so I can use that font and change my font face or font type. If I want to change my font size, see, I go to the font size button and I select any one of the font sizes, and you can see here my text becomes of that size. Then you can note one more thing here. Here are two buttons. This is called grow font. It increases the font size, and this is called shrink font. It decreases the font size. So these are the two buttons for increasing or decreasing fonts if you want. Then I can change the font color. I go to font color button and click on particular color. So you can see here my text got changed to that color. Similarly, if I want some other color, I can change to some other color. Then also I can highlight my text. I go to text highlighter and select a particular color, and you can see here I am able to highlight my text with that particular color. So this is the formatting in MS Word. You can format your text the way you want. Let's quickly summarize this. For bold, we can use the shortcut key Ctrl+B. For italic, we can use the shortcut key Ctrl+I. For underlining the text, we can use shortcut key Ctrl+U. Also, we can change the font type and font size. For grow font, that means increasing font, shortcut keys Ctrl+Shift plus greater than sign. And for decreasing, that means shrink font, shortcut keys Ctrl+Shift plus less than sign. Also, you can color and highlight your text by going to the appropriate commands. Now you can solve this practical assignment. So these are various formattings you can use in MS Word. That's all in this video. Thank you.